So we are here near Area 15 here in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're gonna check out the construction update as far as Universal Studios Halloween Horror Nights, which is here in Las Vegas year round. Look at all this massive construction here. Look at this. Buildings up here. Wow. And I think it extends all over here. Just doing the... We don't know if this is part of it, but I would assume it is. Look at that. Look at all that construction. Wow, that's cool. This is nice. Left over here. Maybe we got some more views here. I don't know if it's it or not. We'll find it. What?
I don't think so.
Yeah. I don't know. Could be. We don't know. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, this is cool. Like I said, construction's going on here. This is, yeah, it's going to be open in August of this 2025. Yep, of this year. This is cool. Can't wait to experience this Halloween Horror Nights year round here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Let's go check out some more stuff. Let's go.